Good afternoon, everyone. This is James coming to you. It is 3:34. Sorry that I'm just a little bit late, but hey, life goes on, life progresses, and sometimes we just get a little caught up with things. Let's see what we are right here, and looks good. All right, everything looks good. It's 3:30. We're going to go over the positions that we are in. All right, we were going to go over this one. As I recall from last night, we were talking about this. We were going to take a look at MasterCard because MasterCard is getting ready to. Actually, today's today. Let me back up for a second. MasterCard's EX date was 3 days ago, or 2 days ago, which means today is the date of record. So with MasterCard, we have 400 shares, and we're going to be collecting the dividend on those come Monday, because today's the date of record. So as of Monday, we'll collect the dividend on these and then figure out at what point do we sell them. Okay, because right now she's at 112.73, and we're looking to get 114.39. So we're a little bit off on the target price that we're looking for, but we can collect the dividends and still sell it for a profit, which is dividend capturing. So we didn't make the 2.5 that we were looking for, but hey, we'll collect the dividend and we'll sell it for more than we paid for it. All works out in the end. All right. The other ones we went over. There's nothing we can do about those other than just wait for them to hit their target. Today's is looking pretty good. Colgate-Palmolive is up almost 600. Macy's is still down 5,600. MasterCard's up 440 since we opened. And STX is down 900. That's not good. Okay, so let's get into the options which are expiring today. That way we can go over and figure out what we are going to do. What we're going to do. We got 20 minutes left. ABBV, let's take a quick look at them because we talked about them yesterday. Come on. I'm plugged in. I'm actually hardwired in and it's still being a little challenging. Come on. I hate it when the computer freezes because you can't really do anything when the computer's frozen. Continue. Thank you. ABBV. Alright, like we said yesterday, ABBV started out the year right around 59. She jumps into a trading range in the 61 area and it goes for like 3 or 4 months. She shoots up to hit the high of the year of 67.11. And she slowly drops down to the low of the year, which is 55.19. From there, she jumps up to another trading range of 61, goes sideways for 3 or 4 months, and now she's in the trading range of 65. Okay, 65.78 to be exact, which I'm pretty sure we're good to go on this one. Yep, 65.78. We got the 64.5, 65 spread, which basically means she has to stay above 65 for us to be in the money. And I say thank you very much for that one. It's a nice 45% return on that one for today. That's lovely. APA is going sideways for the first part of the year, for the first 5.5 months, in the $53 area. She makes a low of the year right in August, 47. From there, she jumps up to the high right on the first week of December. Then from the first week of December right to the first week of March, she drops back down to 49 again and then goes sideways to where she is now in the $52 area. 52.69, and where are we? Wow, we got 4 positions, 52.69. All right, we have the 50, the 50 spread, which we're in the money on that one. Don't have to do anything about that. And then we also have the 51.50 spread, which we're in the money on both of those because we're at 52.68. So that's a big fat chunk of money we made on that one. Almost $1,800. Thank you very much. CVS. Let's try that one more time. CVS. CVS went sideways, started out the year at 101, went sideways for about a month and a half, almost 2 months, and then slowly dropped to another trading range of 95 for 1, 2, 3, 4 months. Then from there, drops to the low of the year right around Election Day. Now remember, I told you almost every recording I have, I tell you that there's a pivotal point of the 2016 election. So the very first week, the 11/6, 11/7, 11/8, 11/9, that area, those 3 days are a pivotal point for a lot of stocks. As you can see, this one, CVS, starts out the year at 101, and then coming into the election, she drops down to 69, makes the low of the year, 69. Then from there, she basically goes sideways and goes nowhere. But this stock dropped coming into the election. Then at the election, she went sideways, and which right where she is still at the 77.9. CV, is that right? CVS. Okay, where are we for CVS? 77.9. This is one we're going to have to keep an eye on, because we have the 77 and the 77.50. So we're down 119 bucks on this one. So do I let the 119 bucks go and say, sorry, my bad, or do I chase it? And that's 5,000 shares. Do I really want to chase 5,000 shares of CVS? We'd be looking at the 77.50, won't we? Yeah, we'll be looking at the 77.50. I could buy back the 77.50 calls and just concentrate on these. It's an idea. Let's quickly take a look, see what we're looking at. CVS. All right. Oh, they're only worth 8 cents. How much can I make of those? 400 bucks. It's an idea. Let's hold that thought for a minute or two. Let's see how much it's going to cost me to buy these back. It's going to cost me $187. It cost me $187 to buy it back. I can sell the other one for 400. All right. Okay, so now $360. All right, so we're out of that one. And CVS. All right, we're out of CVS. So let's quickly look at Verizon. VZ. Verizon basically going sideways for the whole year. Makes its highs, makes its lows, it just goes up and down, up and down. But the trading range gets smaller. She makes the high of the year at 56, and she makes a low of the year at 45, right around election time, which is kind of funny. Then from right after the election, she's up from 45 to 50, almost 55, which is almost a $10 move, which is 25%. Drops back down to a trading range of 48. Where she is right now, 48.76. And let's find out where we are with Verizon. Yeah, we're going to be called out of this one because remember, we bought this last Friday at 48.50 because we were in that position where, for some strange reason I don't remember at the moment, but we bought it 1,000 shares at 48.50. Now we're at 48.77. So someone's most likely to end up buying this by the end of the day. So we're out of that one also. So that was like, 10, 15 minutes to get done and over with this. What else are we looking at? Okay, so ABBV is going to be expiring worthless. ABBV, correct? All right. 65.63. Yeah, we're at 65, so that's easy. APA, don't even need to look at that one. CVS, we just closed that one. TJ Maxx, we're getting closer to where we want to be, so we can get out of that position and free up my $11,000. Oh, check that out. I could take the $1.23 loss right now. Remember, I have to buy this back in order to move on. TJX. You know what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down days this week. Do I take it and run, or do I wait for it to come down a little bit further? I don't know. Set it and forget. It's my motto. All right, let's see if we have any questions from anyone, because I know I had a couple of people on that were asking me questions about certain things. One person on, but no questions. All right, no questions. That's cool. All right, so we're getting back to where we were. And that's basically it for now, because we get all those positions covered. ABBV, they're going to stay right where they are. TJX, I'm still a little leery about that one. You know what? Do I just jump out and free up my money and move on? Or do I wait? Just one of those things. Okay, Verizon's making a move for some strange reason. We're up 3.98. It was up $4 a minute ago. It's 18 that one. So we're into positive positions for all of them, except for TJX. Now I want to quickly take a look at CVS because we're out of that position. But did we actually make money on CVS, or did we lose money on CVS? All right, I'm gonna have to go do this alphabetically. CVS, right there. All right, so we actually lost money on CVS. We lost $1,200 on CVS. Ouch. Okay, hey, like I said, not everyone wins them all. Okay, so, I know you're there, you're asking questions. How many did I lose on? So let's actually take a look. Okay, year-to-date profit and loss. Click on it here. That's all the ones I lost money on. Now, you can't count this one, and you can't count that one because I'm still in those positions at this moment. Okay, Verizon. We're still down $5.50 on that one. How can that be? All right, we must have lost money before, but we're doing this one. I can't really tell on that one. All right, don't want to bore you with all this stuff. But look, I did lose money this year. Weinhauser, Whitestone, Comcast, Monsanto, ABB. You can't count that one out because we're still working on that one. Tesoro. Verizon, you can't count that because that's still open also. Valero Energy, Seagate, Schlumberger, Yum Brands, Nvidia Corporation, CVS, and Hess. So those are the big losers we have, but look at all the winners we got. I mean, you get, well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 14 we lost money on. All right, look at all the winners. I don't even know how to count that many. All right, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20. All right, there's a whole bunch. I'm not going to count them all. We'll do that another time. All right, so we're doing pretty good. All right, where are we? Trade history. CVS, we got out of that one. Cash rebalances. All right, let's go back to where we are. Okay, that's where we are. We really can't do very much now because ABBV is good to go. That's good to go. This one we're out of. This one waiting for the drop. And this one, I'm pretty sure Verizon, we're up $400. VZ, there's nothing really for us to do with Verizon because she's going sideways, and you know she's 48.67, 48.70, and we're going to be called out of this one anyway. Okay, because we made the option money on this one. All right, so this is James. We're checking out for now, and I guess we'll catch you Monday or Tuesday when we do our buying for next week. All right, but I can't give you a breakdown of what we actually made this week because you know everything has to settle yet. It'll settle, so first thing Monday you'll receive it in your email. And if you haven't got an email yet with all that information, you need to subscribe to the service so you can get the email sent to you. You can get all that information.